Wait a minute. Whoa, I still gotta land this. I gotta get over to the shore. Oh my Lord. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, baby. Wow. I'm kind of trapped by paddling there. Ha. Oh. Yeah. Whew. I had to get over here to the shallow and calm. Whoa. Wow. Talk about an exhilarating fight. Oh my gosh. Wheel in the water. Fish in the net. That looks to be a hatchery fish. And look at that baby. Scar. Oh. Wow. Wow, was that exciting. I'm hoping I got that on video. Wow. Wow. I am exhausted. I am exhausted. Okay. Time to get a little situated here. Whew. Wow. Oh. Boy. That was the first cast in that Peter Pan there. I threw out and I felt this just attack it. Whew. Oh. And the fight was on. Oh. Wow. Okay. Whew. Oh. Okay, it'll be a few minutes here.